Guys, today we're going to talk about something important if you are a crypto holder, and especially if you are holding altcoins, because yes, while it does look very attractive to get into these altcoins right now as they are very low compared to what they have been, well, I do have some important information I need to show you. We're also talking about Bitcoin, of course, on longer and on shorter time frames. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And guys, things continues to go down and sideways. So as you can see here, we are still consolidating inside of this bearish flag or bearish pennant, which I was talking about yesterday. Since the video yesterday, we did go up, we did test the resistance right here, got rejected, and right now we are seeing continuation here. So this is also going to have a breakout within the next few days possibly here. So make sure to pay attention to that, guys. But all in all, overall, we are still trending down. We're still going down, and we are still going, into this consolidation period with a bias towards the downside. What you can see is that we did have a decent drop yesterday in Bitcoin. We did go down. We found support of the edge of the orange box right here. As you've seen, this has been very strong support previously. 2 times here, 2 times here, once here, and once more right here. So this is still doing its job of supporting Bitcoin, but I do think, like, in this environment, I think that we are going to continue to consolidate and trend down here. So this is something I am prepared for, and this is also something I am taking advantage of. As we are going lower, I am accumulating more Bitcoin to my HODL stack. Looking at traditional markets, yes, this is actually on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. You can see that we've been finding some support right here recently. Actually, the 13th of May. Found some support here, went down, found support again, and right now we're just consolidating like this. So crypto is definitely, going sideways together with the traditional markets here, which means that the correlation between traditional markets and crypto is still very much intact. Now, one thing I want to talk about as well is what happened with Snapchat yesterday. So Snapchat, the stock went down by 46%, which is absolutely insane. Remember, this is not Luna. This is not some random, altcoin on page 256 on CoinMarketCap. This is actually Snapchat, which went down, a lot yesterday, which is pretty crazy to see. So people are continuously hammering these tech stocks. Tech stocks are not doing well at all. They're continuously going down here. And in this macro environment, I just cannot see Bitcoin, all of a sudden have a pump towards $40,000 or whatever. This is why I've been saying that I think we are going to consolidate a little bit to the downside, and then when things changes, when optimism comes back into the market, you are going to have the opportunity to buy at these lower levels, which brings me to altcoins, because people have been asking me, like, should you buy altcoins right now? Well, most of these altcoins are down tremendously, which is of course much better to buy them when they are cheap rather than when they are at an all-time high. But one thing we need to remember is that if you look at these altcoins right now, and if we assume that we are going to have a prolonged period of consolidation and that we are going to at some point enter a new bull market, but we don't know when that is, well, the thing is, these altcoins are probably not going to be around. And the coins that are still around, they are not going to outperform the new coins. So if you look at a snapshot, this is from the 7th of January 2018. This was right at the peak of the previous bull market for altcoins. And what you can see is, of course, we have Bitcoin, we have XRP, we have Ethereum, we have the usual suspects. But then once we go down here, you can see that we have a lot of coins which are not really around anymore. And if they are around, they were not the top performers this cycle. So you can see Bitcoin Cash, you can see something like NAM Litecoin. What did Litecoin do? I don't think it even reached its previous all-time high of $288 in this cycle. Tron is still around, but it wasn't one of the top performing coins this cycle. And then you go down, IOTA, Dash, EOS, Neo, Quantum, Lisk, and so on and so forth. And you can see that once we go, below 50 or below 40, many of these coins are not really around anymore. And if you look at the cycle before that, the peak of the previous cycle in 2013, you can see even less coins being around. I would doubt that you have heard more than like 2 of these coins here to the left. So what this is telling us is that during the next bull cycle, the coins that are the top coins right now over on coin market cap, they are not going to either be around during the next cycle, and they are most likely not going to be the top performing coins in that next cycle, because people are always looking for that small altcoin that can, go up a lot in a short amount of time. And usually it is with a new narrative. So this year, of course, we had play to earn, we had NFTs, we had DeFi, and so on. So there's going to be new narratives in the next bullish cycle. So we are on the lookout for that. And if you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart on the weekly time frame, you can see the same thing right here. If you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that we broke out of this triangle formation right here. The Bitcoin dominance is looking to go higher here, and we are at pretty low levels overall still in the altcoin dominance. Meaning, if we continue to consolidate, if we continue to trend sideways and down, Bitcoin is most likely going to regain more of that dominance. And you do have the next resistance here at 52%, which is still, pretty far from where we are right now. So the only coins I am, 100% comfortable with accumulating, which I think is going to over time outperform the market, is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum. For the rest of the coins, yes, sure, they can do well, especially in bull markets, but then I consolidate my gains into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Lastly, the Bitcoin whale is accumulating a little bit more Bitcoin here, added 162 yesterday and 77 Bitcoin today. So the whale is continuously accumulating here. As it stands with altcoins, as I said previously, there are going to be opportunities. There are going to be these one-off coins that, completely takes off and they have something new, they have something exciting. But I'm not super excited about the 150th, Launchpad project being launched this cycle. The coins like those are probably not going to do super well unless they are already established and can continue to push innovation. For now, I'm accumulating Bitcoin, I'm accumulating Ethereum, adding to my bags there, and then I will try to take opportunities as I see them come. But right now there aren't really that many opportunities in the market. And guys, if you want to start trading yourself, you are able to claim $4,530 over on Bybit, $4,500 for new and existing users over on Femex. So make sure to take advantage of that. That's what I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.